Hi, it's Zarik Daniel from USA Math. As you see, I'm going to start the presentation by just clicking on this beautiful PowerPoint application on Office. And as you see, when you have this application, it's USA Math Coach, and I'm coaching on math. I'm Zarik Daniel from USA Math Ministry and Organization. As you see, we're going to follow the pattern that we're going to follow. In USA Math, math will be categorized as discrete, calculus, and from calculus we can find differential, and then we have geometry and linear. And from here, the next is who's benefit from invention. It's type of invention because all these things is under system engine that I will just, because I'm a coach for this subject specifically, but if you want to learn about system engine, that's a different subject. That it's engineering subject, it's above these things, because my purpose here is just about coaching, and of course with coaching for math, any will benefit any range of people, and based on their business field and stage of life. I mean, if anybody with any stage of life means anybody with the proper conscious that can touch some type of procedural pattern can be really beneficial about this. So as we move forward, as you see, I categorize it, and in USA Math we're going to use a couple of applications. And one of the important one is that is available online is Wolfram Alpha. It's a very great resource database. But then when it comes to mathematics, you can run and learn about a lot of the mathematical subject. Doing it on paper, you need to do it on paper. I don't understand this internet how it's played with me. You need to do it on paper, but when it comes to applications, you need to do it on paper, but check your data on the application that I showed you, Wolfram Alpha. And in my even web page, it's amazing things gonna happen here. Unfortunately, right now the speed is low, but you can play with the graphs and create these 3D objects and be interested and follow some of these YouTube materials that I put here. But besides of all these things, we have another application that's this very GeoGebra. It's very amazing that, let's say for geometry, we're going to use this one. We need 1 point and a line, so it grows. But this one we're going to use a point. As you see, it grows and a line. And we're going to use this one and a line. So as you see, this is a point that all the heights of the sector of this triangle meets each other. But the amazing thing is you always touch, and if you start to move it, each part, if you move it, it's gonna the thing is when you move it, you are touching it. No, okay, it's done. Yeah, here we can move it. Yeah, as you see, yeah, this was a part. So then you can go here, when you just have it here, you can delete those lines. This one is a line, delete. It's so easy, Here we end up those, I delete them, so I'm not stressed. So I'll go back and I showed you how beautiful it is, that shows you exactly when this gets over the 90 degree, the heights that meets the point that meets all the heights meet each other, it exactly crosses that. And these are the beautiful application that teaches you geometry, and then you can connect these subjects. I mean, these subjects are not away from each other. These subjects that I mentioned here, discrete, calculus, you continue to do it, and great physical application that visualize it. Another one is AutoCAD. As you see in this AutoCAD application that I worked here, I worked on this AutoCAD. I hope this, okay, here it is. It's gonna come up. You can just do amazing things. I mean, you can work with this AutoCAD is in civil nature, and I have no idea when it's online. It's just so slow, it's not showing. Anyway, you can work on AutoCAD, and it's amazing. You're gonna have a lot of fun with it, because this part, as you see, you can touch this irrational numbers that it comes here and you touch it. It's just amazing application. So I showed you this one. I need to get rid of this. And this is it, USA Math, kind of coaching that's, if I start a coach, I will go through this application. We're going to work together, and I hope you enjoyed this kind of intro to this, field that I might be 101 or with you based on request. We're going to work and go through it, by time pace, and I hope all of us will enjoy and get really objective results. I think this one I chose here. Yeah, this is amazing. This is a scale of it, but then let's change it to cosine and close the video. Check how it's going to change. When you change it to cosine, change it, right? And you can change the scale, and it's amazing. Thank you for watching. USA Ministry and Organization signing off as a math coach.